Modern aesthetic bamboo ceiling ideas. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we explore innovative and stunning design concepts. In this video, we delve into the captivating world of modern aesthetic bamboo ceilings. Bamboo, known for its sustainability, versatility, and natural beauty, has become a popular choice in contemporary interior design, especially when it comes to ceilings. Join us as we showcase a variety of breathtaking bamboo ceiling ideas that can transform any space into a serene and stylish environment. From residential homes to commercial spaces, bamboo ceilings offer a unique charm that seamlessly blends nature with modern architecture. In this video, we'll highlight 1. Design inspirations. Discover a plethora of design inspirations featuring bamboo ceilings, ranging from minimalist and sleek designs to more intricate and artistic patterns. 2. Benefits of bamboo ceilings. Explore the advantages of using bamboo as a material for ceilings, including its eco-friendliness, durability, and ability to create a warm and inviting ambience. 3. Installation techniques. Learn about different installation techniques and methods used to incorporate bamboo ceilings into various architectural styles. 4. Maintenance and care. Understand how to properly maintain and care for bamboo ceilings to ensure their longevity and retain their exquisite appearance. 5. Application ideas. Gain insights into the diverse applications of bamboo ceilings in different areas such as living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and outdoor spaces. Whether you're an interior design enthusiast, architect, homeowner, or someone simply seeking inspiration for a renovation project, this video is packed with ideas and insights to ignite your creativity and appreciation for the beauty of bamboo ceilings. Join us on this journey of exploring the elegance and functionality of bamboo ceilings and discover how this natural material can elevate the aesthetics of any space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating design content, and stay tuned for future videos exploring innovative architectural concepts and interior design trends. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.